Parth, first of all, very congratulations to you on achieving this feat. It is a big achievement of your life, right? All India rank 15 in ALET 2021. What an amazing feat. So, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
How do you
congratulations
feel?
again. Yeah.
How do you feel, Parth, after achieving this feat? How are you feeling right now?
I'm ecstatic. This is unreal. I never expected this, but it feels very good here.
Right, and you also cleared CLAT, right? You got into Jodhpur, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Right, and supposedly, I hope you'll be getting into at least NUJS, right?
yeah, it might upgrade.
It might upgrade. Okay, fine. So, what an amazing pick. So, okay, to start with Parth, tell me at what point in your life you decided that you're going to take law as a career? What was
I
that?
think it was mid 10th standard. Like I had a long discussion with my father and all, and my family. Like I chose elimination method. Like I was not at all good at science, so engineering and medicine was out of question. So the only thing which I could see I could pursue was law. And my father is himself a lawyer, so I was always fascinated to see him in that black coat and do what he does. I used to visit his office and all. So that is how I made my mind towards law.
Great. Fine, good. So, when you were preparing for A-Late, when you were preparing for this CLAT exam, what was the most difficult section for you, and how did you tackle it?
The most difficult subject was GK, and it was also the best subject, I would say. Like GK, for GK questions, sky is the limit. They could put anything from anywhere. So like whatever you do is less. But still, like I got a good score in GK, and it I overcame that difficulty.
Right. So, how did you prepare specifically for GK?
uh, CL has a big hand in this. Like the materials that you guys provided, Manthan and your presentations, so they had a big hand in that. So I revised them. Like my main target was CLAT, to be honest. But I prepared like at least a week. One whole day was dedicated to ALET. So
Right.
in that day, like majority of my time was spent in GK.
Okay. So you referred the Manthan, the weekly Manthan magazine, if I'm not wrong. You referred newspapers.
Yeah, I read 2 newspapers and Manthan. Like Manthan covered everything, even newspapers. So Manthan was an all-inclusive package.
Right. So which were the newspapers that you referred?
I referred to Indian Express and the Hindu.
Fine. Okay.
So, Parth, I would like to know, like, what was your overall preparation strategy? Like, how did you study it for all the sections? Like,
Let's start with maths. I was actually good at maths. I once scored good in SSC, so I had confidence in my maths. I would do good if I like even do at least a bit of practice. So that was okay. Then GK I studied hard because GK random. And legal, I was good at legal from the beginning itself. Like I asked my father and even legal sir. And English, I had to work a bit on English. My English was not that good, so I did English also. And logical reasoning, Akash sir helped me a lot. Logical reasoning was like one of the toughest, but still gradually it became my best subject.
okay,
That's great. So, was there any point in your preparation that you felt that you're not going to make it to, let's say, A-Late or CLAT, right? And if that was so, how did you come back? How did you motivate yourself to come back in the game?
Like I used to travel to Nagpur every once a week on Sundays, so that became very hectic. And I was like, these people here are studying every day, going to classes every day, and I was just going once a week. So that developed an inferiority complex in me. So I like took out time with my family and watched movies and all once a week. So that like kept me going. There was no such saturation point, but that kept me going, like made me do better.
Great. Okay, fine. So for this A-led exam particularly, it is considered to be a tougher exam, right? So what was your strategy in this exam, this particular exam? How did you go about the exam, this 2021?
I studied really hard for GK. So like in the exam, like in CLAT, I got a bit disturbed because of tough GK in that. So in IELTS, I already made a plan कि I'll do meditation first in the first 15 minutes, like before the paper started, and then with a cool mind, I'll again go with GK. So I went with GK, completed in just 8 minutes, and then gradually legal, then English, logical, and lastly maths. So that strategy got me good scores.
What was the total attempts in this elect?
135 to 140.
Right, and your score is 108 if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, 108.
Great.
Okay.
So how did the CL mocks help you in shaping your scores overall?
Say mocks were the biggest building block, because like even if you don't practice much, mocks will help you get that practice. Like even the explanations and all, they were very clear, so I could understand where I went wrong and not repeat the same mistake. Also, time management played a key role in it. So like I used to complete my mocks on time, and because of much practice of mocks in the real IELTS, I completed it 5 minutes before the bell rang.
So like if I say you started 2 years back, right, your journey for CLAT.
Yeah.
So maybe when actually you started focusing more on mocks and the tests? When was the time? Like?
I started like as per the schedule. Like when the mocks came, the next day I gave the mocks. So like that started 1 or 2 months after I joined. So earlier I used to score really less, but then gradually as portion got completed in the classes and I self-studied, so that made my scores jump.
Great. Yeah,
okay. So let's say for students who are preparing for 2022 or let's say 2023, what tips can you give to these students? What do you want to suggest them?
Have faith in yourself. Listen to the teachers, like they are the best guides. Take out time with your family, they motivate you, and like don't let it grip over you. Don't let the tension go high. Just keep your cool and you'll deliver. That is definite.
That's great.
Right. So thank you, Parth, for taking out the time for this small interview, and we really congratulate you from all of us at CL Nagpur, and we wish you all the very best in your future career.
Thank you so much, sir.
Chalo, all the best.
Thank you, sir.